this is Gmodism Total Nutrition here. Now I have been working pretty hard learning some basic programming and I finally put together something that I need. I have made a fantastic little program that actually helps me make thumbnails for videos. So I'll just show you the basic process. And I don't know if other creators would find this useful, but if there is a market for this kind of program, I mean, it's not that complex, but if there is some kind of market, I'm considering to continue to develop this program to a proper Windows program you can just run and just use very much more easily than through this code. But anyways, if there is a market, I'll consider to kind of develop it more, and it might be, you know, a good thing to sell for me, might be some kind of income or something. That would be really great. So anyways, I need it. I need this program, so I'll be using it very much in either case. So I'm just going to not drag out too long, just show you the basic stuff of it, yeah? Here we have an image database. This is basically a screenshot of a game, of each episode in a game. I selected a screenshot for all the missions I made so far. That's kind of a cool shot from the game, basically. It's in the image database, and here I have the output. Here we have the overlay that will be put on, and we also have there are the codes, and we also have Arial black font. You have to include that. So there is only one font, and yeah, to apply the font on the picture, I actually have to I have to decide the exact pixels where it will be. Without no further ado, let's just run this thing. I don't know, probably you don't want to see the code too much, but or maybe I shouldn't show it if I'm going to do a thing of this. Trade secret. It's not hard, but anyways, I guess it's Python, so I mean. Anyways, let's just run this thing. Initializing picture processing, sorting picture after latest modified, number of pictures to process 21, picture processing complete, all files in image databases have been processed and exported to /output. Fantastic. So we go to the folder here, and you see the output is full of folders, it's full of files. So here you can see they've been sorted in order after date created, I think, or date modified. I don't know. Yeah, modified. And then they apply this little. Now I can't point for you, but they apply this little episode indicator in the top, and of course it goes up once for every episode. But anyways. You can imagine this really saves me time, because putting this, you know, episode number on the exact same spot every time, that actually takes some time, and you never get it precise. And on top of that, it's just, you know, I made this for like episode, no, not an episode, a series, 2 years ago. And it was like 50 episodes of Mech Warrior, and I just had to put it on every single. Yeah, it took some time, and then I realized I really need this program, and now I have it. Of course, it takes a little time to decide exactly where it will appear, the text and stuff like that. Yeah. Anyhow, it also renames the folders, the files, to what I will call the exported video file. So they're renamed to BPR, Bandits Phoenix Rising, and then the number, so they'll just match up nicely with the MP4 files. So that's pretty nice. Well, I just wanted to brag a little bit with my code that's finally working. Yeah, because it took some time. You know, I'm not a programmer, so I just took a small half-a-year course when I was in Japan on Python programming, but it's pretty basic, so I made most of the research myself. Anyways, I shouldn't do my video skill in this video of always dragging out the video to at least 10 minutes. I don't mean to. I just want to, you know, continue talking. I like it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my little noob code. I'm very proud of it. So yeah, I'll see you in another video. This is Gmodism Total Notary Channel. This is Gmodism Total Notary Channel's first official code showcase. Yeah, that's a thing. Anyways, signing out. See you next time. Bye bye.